Hi, welcome to BananaCrystal platform. In this video, I'll be showing us how to receive payment through an external crypto network. When you sign up or create an account on BananaCrystal platform, you've automatically gained crypto wallet where you can receive money from an external crypto network. Let me show you the process. On the left hand side of your screen, which is your dashboard, click on payments, then you click on add funds. It will take you to this page where you scroll down to the second card. It says blockchain payment networks. This takes 5 to 60 minutes to complete. Then you receive USDT on Polygon. Your blockchain payment is supported cryptocurrency will be automatically converted to USD at the correct market rate and credited to your digital dollar wallet. Then you click on fund via payment network. It will bring you here. Use this address only to fund your account with Tether on Polygon. So this is your wallet address. You have two options to get your wallet address. To either copy the address, or you can scan the barcode with your phone, or if they are with you, they scan the barcode with their phone and complete the payment process on the spot. It's simple, it's direct, and that is how you receive funds using an external crypto network on BananaCrystal platform. See you on the next video. Bye.